Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how the picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture features work on my 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone. Just after my previous video, a few people asked me how this feature works, so I decided to show you. Right now, I have my Raspberry Pi connected through HDMI and my laptop connected through USB-C. As you can see, the HDMI signal takes up the full screen and the laptop appears only in the top right corner. I can also move the picture-in-picture window here to the bottom left corner. Now let's switch to picture-by-picture mode. In this layout, the screen splits 50-50, half for the HDMI and half for the USB-C. It works great, but personally I prefer when only one source takes most of the screen, so I'm switching back to picture-in-picture with the laptop in the top right corner again. And the laptop image doesn't have to be mirrored. It can also be used in extended mode. That lets me use the picture-in-picture window as second small workspace on the same monitor. Now let's look at the input settings. Here you can see that the sub source, the smaller picture-in-picture window, can only be set to USB-C or DisplayPort. HDMI is grayed out, so it can't be selected as the secondary source. Here we also have USB switch to selected and video swap selected, and the sub-image contrast set to 75%. And that's it, a quick demonstration of how picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture work on the 34-inch Dell ultrawide using HDMI and USB-C. Thanks for watching.